Morning guys, Ross here. Currently in Port de Boulier, about to sail a Prime 821 round to Monaco for the first day of the show. I'm lucky enough to be with Chris, the guy who designed the boat, so we're going to head to the Burgess stand and drop the boat off, and then we're going to walk over to our stand. There she is, YT 821. Starting up the engines, and we're all good. Seas are looking pretty big, so we'll see you in Monaco, Chris.
See you there.
Let's do it. Chris, as we wait for the fuel bars to open, quickly run us through the other two tenders we've got on display in Monaco.
Absolutely. So on the stand at Monaco this year, we've got a 677 Open Solas, which has been designed to have a fully customisable deck layout, and we've also got fully murdered out, completely black 821 that's for a new build azimuth called Vicious Rumour.
See. It's a big sea. All right, here we go, heading out into the sea. See you on the other side.
This is what our boats are made for.
So the 81's all dropped off on the Burgess stand. We're now going to head over to the Ribeye Tent and we'll show you what tenders we've got on offer. Behind me here we've got Motor Yacht of Risha, which is recently took delivery of one of our YT 677s. And the 677 stows away right down here in the aft garage. We've made it to the Ribeye stand. Okay, Chris, remind us of the tenders we have on display for the show.
So we've got our YT 821 and our new 677 Open Solas.
Home for the week.